Welcome to another Praxisdienst video tutorial. In this video, we are going to explain to you how to use the Praxisdienst header, which is one of the more important functions for getting the most out of your shopping experience. At the top, you will find the option to log in. If you already have an account, you can use your email address and password to log in. If you do not yet have an account, you can register one now. This only takes a few minutes. Once you've logged in, you can click on that button again, and you can either go to a general overview, or you can immediately select more specific options. Once you're finished, you can log out. Likewise, you can quickly check your Plus status. In the upper right-hand side, you will find a running total of all of the items that you have currently selected and added to your basket. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you can see exactly which items have already been added to your basket, as well as how much each item costs. When you're ready, you can proceed to the checkout. Since Praxisdienst is an international online shop, you also have the option in the middle of your screen to select the language that you prefer. Once you have selected your preferred language, you will be immediately redirected to that version of our shop. As you can see, everything in your basket remains the same. The only thing that has changed is the language itself. In addition to the language, you can also select the currency in which you view our prices and in which you make your payments. The drop-down menu for this is located immediately beneath the language option. Once you have selected your currency, the running total will also be updated. Another useful tool found in our header is the search function. By inputting a word, you will receive product recommendations, as well as a listing of relevant categories and content pages. By hitting enter, you will be redirected to a list containing every product that is relevant to your search term. If you are searching for a specific product, and you know that product's EAN number, then you can input this into the search bar and be redirected to that product. Likewise, if you know our shop-specific product number, you can also input this to find the exact product. Once you've found the product you're looking for, you can click on that product to be redirected to the product page. Thank you for taking the time out of your very busy schedule to learn more about the functions found in the Praxisdienst header. We hope this has been helpful to you and that you will now be able to get even more out of your online shopping experience.